everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, and in this video I'll be swatching 10 of Revlon's new lipsticks. New Superlustrous, the Lustrous Mattes. There are a ton of new shades, however I was only gifted 10, so I'll be swatching those 10 so you can see how they look on my skin tone. So I already swatched them, so I know which ones I like and which ones I don't like. So I'll be showing you my favorites first and then my not so favorites. So this lip shade is called Insane. They're not transfer proof, but they don't transfer a lot. I'm a deep red burgundy kind of girl, so I really like this one. Next I'll be doing Black Cherry. Now I really like this one. It's in season. I like my dark shades like I said. And again, I told you guys that it's not transfer proof. However, I noticed that the matte lipsticks that are transfer proof tend to dry out your lips. And these, I don't feel like they will dry out your lips. My lips still feel very soft. Now I'm going to be showing you guys the red shades they have. This one is On Fire. Now this is a really bright red, and usually when it comes to bright reds, I have to use a lip liner to kind of like ombre it out, to tone it down for my lip size and for my skin tone. But I don't need to do that with this. For some reason, it just works. I like it. I like it. Now this shade is Fire and Ice. I don't like this shade as much as I did the first time I put it on. You know, it's not as red as I remember it being. It looks a little pink. Has some fuchsia in it, I believe. I don't know if you can pick that up on camera, but yeah, it's like a pinkish red. It's not bad. I like it, but it's just not, I wouldn't reach for this one. Now while we're moving into pink territory, I'll show you guys Heartbreaker. Now I think this color is really, really pretty. I personally wouldn't wear it without like a darker lip liner, maybe like a deep purple or a burgundy lip liner to ombre it out. That's the only way I would wear this. I definitely wouldn't wear it just like this. I feel like I have clown lips. It's not that cute. But the color itself is really, really pretty. This next shade is called Hot Chocolate. I love it. I didn't love it as much the first time I swatched these colors, but I love it even more now. Maybe the lighting is a little different, but this is really, really pretty. And I would wear this every day. I don't wear makeup every day, but I mean, it's definitely a go-to for me. I like it. Now this shade is called Moonlight. I don't really like it. It's a gray shade, but it's like, it has like a lilac to it. You know what? I would wear it, but I would wear it like just to give that like ombre to a darker purple. Like I would wear I would wear Rhythm and Blues, and that would be like the main color, but then I would wear the Moonlight in the center to give it an ombre. Actually, let me give that a try. And now I'll be showing you my last two shades that I have. These are my least favorites. They are nudes, and they're pretty light nudes. Now I know that I could make them work, especially Untold Stories, this one, but this one, which is called Candy Addict, I don't know if you can see the difference between the two. One is more of a brown nude and one is more of a pinky nude, and I can get away with brown nudes better than I can get away with pinky nudes. So yeah, I mean they're both pinky, but this one is straight pink. This is like Pink Friday pink. Yeah, so let's get into them. I'll start off with Untold Stories. You see, this would look really good with a brown liner. This actually could look really good. Matter of fact, I think this would actually go well with hot chocolate. Let me give it a try. But on its own, as you can see, no, it's not for my skin tone. See what I mean? This is the hot chocolate with Untold Stories. No, no, but this will look good on somebody. I just don't know who. Thank you so much, Revlon, for gifting me with these new mattes. As a matter of fact, I do not want to close off this video with this lip. Okay, I'm back with some Vaseline. You know, all the wiping had my lips dried out a little bit, so this lip therapy is going to have to cut it. But thank you so much, Revlon. Thank you guys for watching. These are really affordable, and they're versatile, soft, leaves your lips kissable, and not over dried out. You know, we hate that with our mattes. And it's matte season. It's winter time, okay? So matte lips are in, so definitely check them out if you want to. You can find them at Revlon.com, or you can check them out at your local grocery store, drugstore, and that's it. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification button, and follow me on Instagram at Keisha Charmaine. Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks.